So our first step in understanding web programming with Go is to understand what templates are, and then how do we do templates in Go. And so that's the first thing we're going to cover. And templates are really essential to web programming. So what is a template? A template is basically a form letter or just some sort of document into which you're going to merge data. So it's a document into which you're going to merge data. So that could be a form letter that you mail out at Christmas, or it could be like spam email, right? Or it could be a web page, right? Like it's a web page and it's a document and there's little fields in there and we're going to merge data into one of those fields. So here's an example of a template form letter, right? So this is just an example of templates, just building our knowledge of what templates are. And so this would be a template that you would use like in Microsoft Word or something to create a Christmas letter, which could be customized and personalized to each of your friends. And so we write the letter, but in places where we want to insert personalized data from a database, some sort of data storage, we're going to put in a field like that. And then when we run this, when we say, like if we're doing this in Microsoft Word, hey, merge this letter, go ahead and merge this letter. That's why they call it mail merge. They are merging that letter with data. And so for each entry in a database, they're going to take the data appropriate to the asked for field and put it into the letter. So when I do that with this letter, I would get, personalized letters to each of my friends. Dear Mike, dear Catherine. I'm having to think. I wasn't expecting to start going through my friends' names. All right, so that's what mail merge is, and that's what templates are. And templates exist with letters, with spam, with web pages, because in a web page it's going to be the same thing. It's just a document. So here's Facebook, and then there's places where it's going to merge in data, which is custom for me, right? So they'll have fields and they'll say, okay, put their timeline feed right here. It'll go get all the posts relevant to me and put them right there. So it's merging that data into this document. So that's the first step in understanding web programming, is just making sure you have a grasp of this concept of templates and what templates are, because we're going to be creating web documents, and they're just documents, and they'll basically be templates into which we say put data in different places. So in the next couple of videos, we're going to learn how to do that in Go.